When the earth rebels, the skies rage, and the seas rise, humanity faces the ultimate test. Join us as we journey through the calamities of nature and uncover the types of disasters that have both shaped and shattered our world. Natural disasters. Earthquakes, the earth trembles, and within moments, the world changes. We'll explore the science behind earthquakes, the ring of fire, and how communities rebuild in the aftermath. Earthquakes are one of the most powerful natural phenomena, capable of causing immense destruction in just a few moments. They occur when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust, creating seismic waves that shake the ground. Here's an in-depth look at earthquakes and their impact, especially on healthcare and fitness. What causes earthquakes? Tectonic movements. Most earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates at fault lines. Volcanic activity. Some earthquakes are related to volcanic activity and can precede eruptions. Human activities. Activities like mining, reservoir-induced seismicity, and fracking can also induce earthquakes. Hurricanes and tropical storms with winds that can exceed 157 miles per hour. Hurricanes are nature's fury unleashed. Discover how these storms form and the stories of resilience in their wake. Hurricanes and tropical storms are intense weather systems that form over warm ocean waters and can cause widespread destruction when they make landfall. Here's a detailed look at these powerful storms and their impact on healthcare and fitness. Formation and characteristics. Warm ocean waters. Hurricanes and tropical storms begin over warm ocean waters where the air above the water's surface takes up heat and moisture. Wind patterns. As the warm, moist air rises, it creates an area of lower pressure beneath it. This causes surrounding air to flow into the low-pressure area, which then warms and rises as well, creating a cycle. Storm development. If conditions are right, this system of clouds and wind intensifies, leading to a tropical storm. When the winds reach a certain speed, 74 mph or higher, it becomes classified as a hurricane. Floods. From the overflowing banks of the Nile to the submerged streets of Venice, floods have been both a source of life and a cause of destruction. Learn about the ancient and modern battles against rising waters. Floods are one of the most common natural disasters, affecting millions of people worldwide. They occur when water overflows or soaks land that is normally dry, often due to heavy rainfall, river overflow, storm surges, or the breaking of dams and levees. 12. Here's a comprehensive look at floods, their impact on healthcare, fitness, and social work, as well as prevention and management strategies. Causes of floods. Heavy rainfall. Intense precipitation can lead to rivers and lakes overflowing their banks. Storm surges. Coastal areas can experience flooding due to storms pushing seawater inland. Snowmelt. Rapid melting of snow can contribute to overflow in rivers and lakes. Dam failures. Breaches or failures in dam structures can release large quantities of water. Wildfires. A single ember can ignite a wildfire that consumes thousands of acres. We'll examine the causes, the brave efforts to combat them, and the ecological aftermath. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that burn in wildland vegetation, often in rural areas, and can occur in various ecosystems including forests, grasslands, and savannas. They can be caused by natural occurrences like lightning strikes or human activities, and their behavior and severity are influenced by factors such as weather conditions, available fuels, and topography. Preventing wildfires is crucial, and nearly 9 out of 10 are caused by humans, which means many can be avoided. Some prevention methods include checking weather and drought conditions, building campfires safely, keeping vehicles off dry grass, and maintaining equipment to prevent sparks. Droughts are silent killers, withering crops and drying wells. We'll discuss the creeping threat of water scarcity and innovative solutions to conserve our most precious resource. Droughts are prolonged periods of unusually dry weather leading to a shortage of water. They can have significant environmental, economic, and social impacts. For instance, droughts can cause reduced soil moisture or groundwater, diminished stream flow, crop damage, and a general water shortage. 12. They can also lead to health issues such as shortages of drinking water, poor air quality, and increased diseases. In terms of nutrition, droughts can limit the growing season, encourage insect and disease infestation in crops, and lead to malnutrition due to low crop yields. Human-caused disasters. Industrial accidents. When technology fails, the consequences can be catastrophic. We'll delve into historical industrial disasters and the lessons learned to prevent future calamities. Industrial accidents are unexpected events that disrupt the normal operations of an industry, often resulting in damage, injuries, or loss of life. They can be caused by various factors, including mechanical failure, human error, natural disasters, or chemical spills. Acts of terrorism. Terrorism seeks to instill fear and disrupt society. We'll analyze the impact of these acts and the global efforts to combat this ever-present threat. The term act of terrorism refers to the calculated use of violence or the threat of violence to instill fear and achieve political or ideological objectives. It's a tactic that can be employed by a wide range of actors, including political organizations, religious groups, and sometimes even state institutions. The definition of terrorism is complex and varies across jurisdictions, but it generally involves creating a climate of fear to influence policy or overthrow a government. Mass violence. The scars of shootings and bombings run deep. We'll reflect on the societal impacts of mass violence and the conversations it sparks on security and freedom. Special segments. Disaster preparedness. How can we brace for the unpredictable? This segment will focus on disaster preparedness strategies, emergency response, and the role of technology in saving lives. Climate change and disasters. Is our changing climate fueling the frequency and intensity of natural disasters? We'll explore the connection and what it means for our future. As we've seen, disasters are as diverse as they are devastating. But in every tragedy lies a story of human courage and the indomitable will to overcome. Thank you for watching. If this video has enlightened you, share it to spread knowledge, and subscribe for more content that delves into the forces that shape our planet and our lives.